Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to set up complex automations in Monday.com that handle multi-step processes, approvals, and integrations, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. Step 1. Map your process clearly. Before building automations, outline your workflow. For example, task submitted to reviewed to approved to assigned to completed. Knowing each stage helps you build accurate rules. Step 2, create structured columns. Add columns like status, people, date, priority, dropdown, and dependency. Complex automations rely on multiple data points. Step 3, use multi-condition automations. In the Automations Center, choose recipes that include conditions. Example, when status changes to review and priority is high, then notify manager. This prevents unnecessary triggers. Step 4, chain automations together. One automation can trigger another. Example, status to approve to move item to next group to assign person to set due date. Step 5, add approval workflows. Use status columns for stages like pending review or waiting approval. Automate notifications and task movement based on approval decisions. Step 6, integrate external apps. Connect Slack, Gmail, Zoom, or CRM tools. Example, when item is created, arrow send Slack message, or when status is done, arrow send email. Step 7, control automation usage. Complex automations can consume many actions. Avoid triggers on minor changes and use precise conditions to reduce usage. Step 8, monitor the automation activity log. Regularly check logs to spot failures or over-triggering automations and adjust rules for smoother performance. Complex automations work best when they combine conditions, approvals, dependencies, and integrations to automate your entire workflow efficiently. Follow these steps and your Monday.com system will run like a fully automated machine. See you in the next guide.